There's a consistent body of research looking at poor indoor air quality in homes. There is a DEFRA study that suggests that NO2 levels are responsible for 23,500 deaths per year, and there's a rising link to asthma with children. There's growing demand for discussion around higher grade filtration in urban areas, particularly in London. So if you think external air quality is a problem, make sure that you consider the ventilation strategy at the early part in the project to make sure that all the requirements can be met. So this is a NOx filter. This is the 21 litres per second version, suitable for dwellings of around 100 square metres. In terms of duct connections, we have a 204x60 connection. You're also available as a 125mm round, typically about 20 kilos in weight. And then you've got a bank of carbon filter medias inside. This one in the centre is a unique colour cell feature which shows the unit degrading over time and when they need to be replaced, and it turns from white to pink. So the NOx filter is designed into the system. You can see on the supply air network. This has the benefit of reducing the requirement for maintenance by bringing air into the heat recovery unit, pre-filtering it with the G4 filter first, before entering the NOx filter and providing fresh air into the room. Some key considerations when specifying a NOx filter would be to make sure that the component has been allowed for in the system as part of the overall air distribution layout. The second important thing would be location. This being a horizontal mount, you'd need to make sure that you had sufficient space for access, as maintenance would be required ongoing. So in terms of maintenance for the NOx filter, if placed where recommended on the supply air network of the heat recovery ductwork, this wouldn't need to be looked at for up to 5 years. In terms of replacements, there is a replacement service pack available consisting of a G3 filter and however many carbon cells are needed, and the quantity depends on the different sizes. To make things simpler, we have a viewing window so that you can see the colour cell changing once the filters degrade over time.